Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing a first spring inspection for this year. It's spring here, so I'll be inspecting one of my hives for the first time. And also my other intention is to move this colony from this hive to another hive. They are not the best performing colony that I have, and I feel like they are using the best hive that I have, so I want to move them to another hive, a smaller hive, and give this big one to another colony that is doing very well. So that's what I will be doing today. And also just to see some post-winter inspection, to see that, seeing that it's spring now, that there aren't any swarm cells and that the bees have enough space as well. So that's what I'll be doing today. The audio in this video is not so good, so I had to do a voiceover in some of the sections because it was not audible at all. I think the mic might have been far away, too far away. Yeah. They are very protective of their home today. And I think that the fact that they are now starting to store honey, maybe that's why they're just trying to protect everything they have. These bees, when they propolize their frames, it gets stuck together. It's even difficult to try and get it out. They really, do a good job at it. And I think also the fact that we have a lot of ants around, maybe that's why they use a lot of propolis, just to try and prevent those ants from coming into the hive. Yeah, it is hard. And those bees are made already. They've started, they've started keeping honey, storing honey. Lots of nectar. Lots of nectar. That's good, that's a good sign. The last time I checked them, they really didn't have, they didn't have honey. And I've had these bees for over a year, maybe over. Over 1.5 years, and I haven't harvested any honey from them at all. And that is why I want to move them from my best hive to another hive, because they haven't really given me anything as yet. But I'm hoping that this year, they seem to be off to a good start. They seem to be doing well. Lots of honey, lots of food. Seems they are doing well. So I am not going to. Just want to check that they have enough room. Yeah, these bees are really not happy to be disturbed. They are angry. Just doing a check to make sure that the queen is still laying, that they, yeah. Also checking that there are no swarm cells.
Since they are fine, I'm going to leave them alone. I'm going to leave them alone. Give them space so they are good.
I think at this point I had decided that I was going to leave these bees in this hive, because I thought, okay, they are doing okay, they are not doing as bad as I expected. Maybe I could leave them there, but later on I changed my mind. I thought, oh no, let me just do what I had initially planned to do. So I moved them.
Thinking I should move them. I think I'm going to move them to the other hive.
And it's amazing that I didn't get stung, because they were really, really not happy. Yeah, so I decided to move them anyway. They are still not my best performing bees after all, so they don't deserve all this big space, in my opinion. Yeah. This hive is smaller than the other one. I think they'll be good here. They'll be fine. So I started moving the frames in the same position and direction that they were in the other hive. They say that that's important to maintain in the position where the frames were, and also the entrance. It's still facing where the other one was facing. So these other frames, I had already inspected them, so I'm just moving them. There's no need to inspect again.
lots of drawn fruit. Oh, this frame is heavy.
I don't normally interfere in my kind of beekeeping. I just let my bees be. So there is a lot of drawn fruit on that frame, but yeah, I'll just leave it there. I won't. I've seen some people cutting out the drawn fruit, but I'll just leave it there. I figure that the bees, they know what they are doing, and who am I to come and then decide that what they are doing is wrong. I'll just leave it there. I know that some people may comment and say that's bad beekeeping, but that's how I do it, and I'm okay with that.
It's still good.
So all the frames have been moved. Putting back the queen excluder. I try to be as slow as I can so that I don't squash any bees, so that they don't get killed when I'm putting back the queen excluder.
All these bees should be able to go inside once they figure out that they've moved the house. They should be able to go in there. I'm looking for my hive too. Just trying to squash some hive beetle that I'm seeing here. That one. That. No, maybe I should just use my hand. Kill you. Yeah. It seems there's a lot of moisture here. Squash you. Kill you.
And thank you so much for watching, and if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.